Okay, so this is part two of my SPARCbook 3000 ST video. The first one had the boot process up until we logged in as root. And here I'm going to start open Windows, just open Win, and that will start open Windows, and we can see what the graphical environment is on this SPARCbook. There we go, so open Windows is loaded. You can see there's a file browser right here. I can move that around wherever I like. If I want to go to the root, access folder, I can see some jar files in there as well. I'm going to right click the desktop and get to the programs menu. You can see that there's many different types of programs you can choose from, including a performance meter that you can start, and that will show you. Well, I have it set to start showing the CPU and disk usage, so we'll come back and see that in a few minutes. But let's right click and let's go to programs again, and you'll see that full list of programs there. Of course, anything that isn't there you can always start yourself. Utilities. You can save your workspace, which is kind of nice, and you can also go to sleep. There's sleep mode in this desktop. That's something that Tadpole did. That's called the NCE, the Notebook Computing Environment, and you can change the NCE parameters down here. Quite a few, laptop-specific things that don't normally exist in Unix that Tadpole implemented. Their sleep feature is quite nice, where you can store everything in RAM and resume very quickly. It saves to a save partition, but that has to be the same size as your RAM, and in this case I've got 128 megs of RAM, which is quite big for these Tadpole SPARCbooks. I'm going to close that, of course, so quit. And you can already see some disk and CPU usage happening right there. And let's go down here to Workstation Information. And you can see the system that I'm on. It's called Fido. It is a 3000 ST, so it's got a 170 megahertz Turbo Spark processor and 120 megs of RAM. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this demo.